Proteins are these amazing nanomachines inside of our body that do all of the stuff that keeps us alive. There's millions of them. And usually when something goes wrong, it's because a protein isn't doing its job correctly. And this is why we use proteins as drug targets and biomarkers so that we can understand how your proteins are working and whether you're healthy or you have a disease. The problem is, in biomarker and drug discovery, we can't start with all of the proteins inside the cell. We only start with a very small percentage. Of the millions that we have, usually we can only see about 10,000 or so proteins. And so at Impact Proteomics, what we're trying to do is really increase the number of proteins that you start with so that the likelihood of finding a biomarker or a drug target is greatly increased. And in order to do that, we've taken advantage of the natural protein chemistry on the surface in order to create a way to tag, capture, and release the proteins, all of them universally, so that you can use those for drug target and biomarker discovery. And our hope is that we can really speed time to market for a lot of biomarkers and drugs that would create a positive impact on our community.